This here is a crab salad sandwich, and the mix itself is based off the rainbow roll that I used to make during my time as a line cook in my student days. It's summer, go ahead, have some fun in the sun. Doesn't mean you can't have tasty foods wherever you are. And this here is something you can put together super quick. It's light and it's tasty. Now the type of crab that I'm using is in chunks. It's in this can. And the first thing you want to do is get rid of the water. Make sure you don't dry it out too much. Some moisture is good. If you want, you could also use the imitation crab sticks that's usually used or is found in California rolls. So you could get a pack of that instead of real crab if you want. Now first things, I want to toast my buns. I'm using buns. You can use bread, whatever soft piece of dough you want, wrapping up this delicious crab mix. Some butter will really help to get it nicely toasted and lots of flavor too. Now for the crab mix, add the crab in a large bowl along with tons of fresh scallions, some chopped up pickle. I got this from my local grocery store. It's this nice spicy pickle. You can use dill pickle if you want. Add some of that juice in there too. Then add in the Japanese mayo. And Japanese mayo is actually way more intense and has way more of an umami effect into whatever you use it in. It's way tastier, I think, than regular mayonnaise. Now if you were thinking of using this crab mix for sushi, for a rainbow roll, then just don't add in the pickle stuff. No juice, no pickle. What we used to do is it was just crab, Kewpie Japanese mayo, and green onions. That's it. Keep it simple. You can then taste this crab mixture and adjust for some salt. I needed a bit more, and that's the mix. And in that time, the buns are toasted. And in that time, you can spoon that crab mix onto the bottoms of the buns. And quickly enough, it's ready to either pack or smash right now. If you like this quick protein-packed sandwich, then you're gonna love my tuna salad sandwich as well. Check it out down below.